Welcome to Excel Lab 1. To go to a lab, you go to the lab section of the class. Clicking on it will reveal the lab that I want you to work on. Labs are usually made up of a zip file that contain other files. They contain directions, which you download, and they contain a write-up file. Write-up file is the easiest. You click on it, and it usually opens up the default word processor on your computer. Now, when you come to the end of this lab, you will be able to fill in all the information that's requested of you inside these brackets. So, for example, question 1 says, in completing example lab 1, I learned, and what new skills did you learn? Okay? And you'll be able to answer all those questions and then copy and paste your answers into the submission area for credit. Now let's get back to the lab. The second part enables you to download the directions for the lab. Okay? On a browser such as Chrome, you would right click and then click Save Link As. You would find a place on your computer to save it, and when it downloads, it would probably open it up, and you would get a file that looks like this. This is telling you what the lab is going to expect of you. Now, every lab is made up of 2 parts. There's a development exercise, and the development exercise is what you have this playlist for. You go through the development exercise with me on the YouTube playlist, pausing that playlist as we go along, and I'm going to show you for this one. And then you have 1 or more practice exercises. Those practice exercises involve taking the same skills that you learned in the development and just practicing them by working on a new spreadsheet. In this particular spreadsheet, ladies and gentlemen, we're basically going to be looking at just creating a spreadsheet from the ground up with absolutely nothing on it. And Microsoft Excel is ideal for working with data and with numbers.